Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Very good.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Ja, IBM, IBM yesterday gap down and now today it's gap up.
Yeah.
TSM.
Oh yeah. Starbucks could be a short.
GR.
Testament's going down. Thì là TSM long.
Did you get in? 对
Yeah.
Google Google
Oh, okay. Nice. Nothing really moving.
What?
Nothing really moving.
Yeah. Well, market gapped up and probably a good place for people to take some profits.
Yeah.
Hey, HPE.
Yeah, it could be long.
Yeah. All right. I entered a DLTR short on a level 1.
DLTR.
Yeah, it's above the moving averages on my pre-market and everything, but I decided to just give it a try. I'm up 1R on the little move already because it's dropped pretty good. I'm going to keep holding it. Hopefully it goes red for the day. There we go. Nice.
Really nice drop down.
Yeah. A good bounce right here. But thinking it breaks the, hopefully breaks the 20. Keeps going lower.
Snow.
Cover a little right here because DLTR is right at the 20-period moving average.
Yeah.
CRM could be a short. Hasn't broken yesterday's low yet, though. All right. CRM. There we go. Hopefully it breaks yesterday's low right here and keeps going.
Which one?
CRM.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, just, we'll see. We'll see. It could bring a new low failure, too. DLTR. Hopefully it keeps dropping. PSM could be a level 1 right here, pull back to the VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm snow short.
All right. trying a level 1 MD, sorry, level 1 CRWD long here, just to see if it pops. If it fails,
Nice.
then I'll take it short.
Mm-hmm.
I have a feeling it will fail because of the sell-off to begin with, but we'll see. I mean, I could, if it fails, I'll just flip it short. I think it's gonna fail, actually, to be honest.
Well, it's right on the 200 MA.
Yeah, but you know, it's also a very strong move down, so I don't know. We'll see. I feel like it's gonna fail, but I was willing to give it a try off that 200 and see if it works. Not my normal thing. My normal thing would be wait for a secondary entry.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just gonna give it a shot and we'll see. Stop loss below 317.50.
Mm.
It looks like it's gonna trigger me out. There we go. I think it's a short. There we go.
Which one?
Oh, I flipped it short. CRWD.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had it short in the morning for a little while, and then where I was covering, I was thinking about flipping it long, so I flipped it long for fun, and it didn't work immediately, which I kind of figured. I was thinking, why am I trying to short something that has such a strength, such strong strength to the downside?
Yeah.
You know, so now I flipped it short, and we'll see if that works out. I think it's a better short, especially with that Hikaki bar that just happened. CRM triggered. Hopefully that keeps going. And I'm just putting my stop loss above this last candle. DLTR, moving my stop loss a little bit above VWAP now. Thinking about trying this AMAT as a long, but it's underneath VWAP. So it's not my favorite. I'll give it a shot. All right, triggered me in. There goes AMAT to the upside. Hopefully it bounces from here. Took that TSM short, level 1. It's going kind of slow. I'm thinking about covering at the VWAP. And then trying to flip it long, maybe. Go with strength.
My snow's nice on the 15.
Nice. CCL may trigger a short.
Okay, come on, TSM. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, TSM. A little bit down. I think my next short might be NDGL, but it's above the moving average in VWAP, so I'm just seeing what it does. My target would be back down to the VWAP. I think TSM is going to take me out break even here. Yeah.
Actually, I'm long on TSM.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not entering until I see a level 1 break, level 1 to the upside. But when that happens, I'll get long.
Disney has a level 2 to its downside.
Okay. Disney.
Oh, CCL.
Looks good. Wow. Yeah.
CCL triggering me in.
Yeah, looks great. Looks nice.
Cover my snow.
Huh. A bunch of bottoming tail.
A little lower on TSM and then I'll get out. We'll see. Still hasn't triggered a level 1 to the upside, so no reason to get in for me. Oh, I moved my stop loss down on the TLTR. Ooh, TSM, look at that.
Oh,
See, Lynn, you're not supposed to anticipate entries.
I know. Got stop out.
Yeah. This is why I've changed my whole trading, really. I don't anticipate entries or even exits too. Because I make much more money when I just let the bars do what they do. Don't try to guess what's going to happen next.
Yep.
DLTR I'm going to add. Well, that wasn't a mistake.
I was impatient. I should wait to bounce off the VWAP.
Just wait for a level 1. You know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, just wait for the bar to clear the previous bar's high, and then
Like
jump
right
in.
now, it's level 1 on 1 minute chart, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't even use 1 minute if I were you. You'll get a lot of false signals.
Oh, so level 1, what time frame you guys use?
I'm using 5 minutes on everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I feel like if I use a 1 minute, like it definitely gives you a quicker, tighter entry. But then it also get a lot of false signals.
I know.
So I mean, it's up to you if you really want to.
No, I'm agree with you.
You know.
Oh, DLTR is at
Totally agree.
the low of day.
Yeah, I'm gonna add to it. Hopefully it breaks the low. Keeps going this time. Disney looks good.
Disney looks good, yeah.
Still going down.
Can we just jump in short?
On Disney?
Yeah.
It's kind of at support now.
Yeah.
You know. All right, so now on DLTR, I'm gonna lower my stop loss down to the next bar. Cancel. Try MDGL here. Level 1. No, I don't like it. Okay, I'll give it a shot. If it fails on me, I'll flip it long. We're triggered, I think, on a 5 minute here. See, even TSM still no trigger, right? I'm still not going to get in long because, yeah, it looks good and it looks like buyers are stepping up, but it has to break that previous bar's high. Once it breaks the previous bar's high,
160.74.
yeah, something like that. Then you
But
can.
right now, I'm talking about this bar.
Oh yeah, whatever bar happens to be the previous bar's high, you just set your stop loss, stop entry to get in. And
Well, got us snow too soon. Look at snow.
Yeah, there's really no reason to get out of snow.
Yeah. Yeah, you anticipate the exit too. So, but now it might be a good level 1 to the upside soon. It actually looks great. Getting climactic too. 10 o'clock, maybe reversal time will come here. Okay, so now here's TSM.
Yeah.
So I'm in TSM now.
Good.
Level 1 off the VWAP. And you just have to give yourself that stop loss underneath that previous bar's low.
I'm in again.
Yeah. No, it's looking great. Wow. Look at that. Keeps going.
Wow. Yeah.
All right. Might try to catch the knife on TSM and Disney when I get a nice, reversal candle.
Mm-hmm. God, they did that again for me. TSN, my stop. Oh, they take me out again.
Oh. Well,
What?
maybe just putting it too tight.
Yeah.
No, I think instead, like, they put my on stop. And it's so confusing, the stop and sell.
DLTR looks good for lower.
Yeah.
Blake keeps going.
But I got me right back.
MVGL is working pretty good. It's okay. I mean, it's one bar move right now. Thinking about jumping in long on this AMAT.
AMAT?
With small share size because it's underneath all the moving averages and stuff. So I'm going to do a small share size right here long. AMAT. Okay, TSM looking better. I might add to this over that little doji bar.
Mm-hmm. 160.92.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Oh my gosh, no.
Yeah. Climactic. Okay, TSM, I think I'm going to add. Target's going to be the high of day. That's not bad.
Right now is above the previous high on day chart.
Yeah. HPE looks good for a short.
Yeah.
Tried to go higher a couple times.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my MDGL is going pretty good. It's almost at target. I'm just going to move my stop loss down to my entry bar now. So if it comes back up, it'll be a break-even trade, but I'm going to try to hold this for even longer, just kind of like what I did with DLTR, seeing if it can just keep going. Okay, HPE is looking good. I added to that a little bit. That keeps going. Move my stop loss on TSM a little higher now, underneath this green bar. I don't want this to get taken out. It gets taken out, basically like a break-even trade, and then I'll get back in over that green bar for secondary entry. Disney looking like a level 1 right here.
Yeah, this looks like it.
Could try it long. That 10 o'clock reversal time. I'm gonna wait for a secondary entry on this Disney.
I think Cisco would be a good short or long.
Which one?
Cisco?
Cisco. Okay, I'm gonna take a look.
Cisco, okay.
Kind of like a knife catch.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, actually, Cisco looks great.
CSCO, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
CSCO. Just triggered. I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm gonna wait. Come on, DLTR, keep going.
I know, they are the best ones yet.
Yeah, I love that it, you know, basically went higher and then totally failed on that attempt to go higher. Now we're at the low, so maybe it'll just keep going. Gotta keep moving my stop loss down with this bar by bar. Disney seems to be working. I didn't take it though. I just didn't like the last bar, you know? I wanted to see some sort of doji bar, kind of like what Snow did, like, you know, but Snow never triggered. So I wanted to see that. And because of that, yeah, I just didn't want to chance it. But I think it's working pretty good.
Your CRWD looks good.
Oh, good, good. Yeah, not even watching it anymore. I just put my stop loss at break even and just gonna let it do its thing. I'll come back to it later and see where it's at.
Wow, DLTR.
Yeah, it's good, doing pretty good. Let me quickly adjust my CRWD because I'm actually I see that. Okay, see that. Actually, right here.
Looks good, TSN.
Yay, TSN working.
Yay!
You see how, like, I'm telling you, I've done so much
Thank you. Yep.
research on this, and it's just like, you get in a little later than than you would off of like a 2-minute, but you just don't get the problems that you have. Like look at my AMAT too. You know, it's just working really nice, clean.
Now take half.
On TSM?
What do you think?
Yeah, you could take half. I'm gonna see what it does at the high of this.
Because this, well, wait a little bit.
Yeah, see what it does. Maybe it'll break the high of day.
Put my stop on entry, my entry.
Yeah, exactly. Not a bad idea to move your stop to that entry bar now. DLTR, I'm going to keep moving it down. Next bar down. AMAT still going up. Good. DLTR.
Thinking of showing Google instead.
Oh, yeah? NDGL coming back up to my break-even entry here. I'm going to move my stop loss a little lower now. See how far DLTR can keep going.
Look at the hourly chart of TSM. They're beautiful.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, kind of like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, cool. Well, we got this nice snow starting to get climactic here, which is great.
Oh, I have to learn how to exit. My exit sucks.
Just do bar by bar.
Okay.
Keep you in. Look at not once did a bar break a previous bar's high yet. Same thing goes for entry. Like I want to get in this long, but I'm not gonna jump in long until I see it break a previous bar's high. And if you get really antsy about it, like if you're like, oh man, you know it's down so many bars, zoom into maybe a smaller time frame and use bar by bar then. You know, like that always really helps.
Cisco
like for instance, if I move,
down.
What's up?
Cisco is still going down.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. I like the snow really. Once it triggers along, I love that it keeps going down, keeps going down. But now it's putting in those bottoming tails right here. I'm gonna wait 10 more minutes. I think it'll be the 10:30 reversal time. I took a partial on DLTR here at the low, pre-market low. So now we'll see what happens to it. I'll probably add back in if I see it get underneath the pre-market low.
Yeah, TSM.
Disney's working. It's slow, but It's going out. Oh, and NVIDIA just broke a level 2, the upside. That was a good one.
What's your TSM?
Oh yeah, Nvidia has a level 3 or something.
Yeah, looks good. Well, snow looking like this might be the turn. We'll see. I don't love it. TSM getting up to the highs. Moving my stop loss up a little higher now.
Yay!
That's just a simple opening range break with the VWAP pullback.
Oh, wow. It broke the hourly chart.
Broke the high now, yeah.
Oh, now it's a level 2, but off of multiple bars up, so I won't add to it there. But
Well, I took half.
wow, looks good. I'm still holding.
Disney may retest a low.
Disney? Yeah, it has a level 1 right here. Downside. Could be a short. You could do a little scalp short right here.
Yeah.
I might try that. Right here, a little scalp short. Getting back down to the lows and then, take a partial. The LTR looking better. Hopefully it keeps going.
AMAT looks good.
Yeah, AMAT looking good. Disney, come on, Disney, a little lower.
I think VIR should be short here.
TSM still going. It's good.
Look at BROS. We missed that one. Wow, BORS. TSM, no resistance right now.
Yeah, that's great. Hopefully it keeps going. There we go, a little higher. Yeah, TSM looks great. Hopefully it can keep going a little higher.
Yeah, look at the hourly chart, Jason. Looks very good.
Oh, great.
Yeah, it was level 1. No, it's not level 1, right? On hourly chart.
Yeah.
Very pretty on yellow hourly chart.
Oh, great. All right. Well, see what happens.
Same pattern as BROS, hourly chart.
Okay. Also look at the SPY. That's helping it too.
Yeah, they're up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the SPY is pushing the stock up. Therefore, TSM keeps going higher. Maybe we can get to 65.
Let me look at the day chart. Because the hourly chart, no resistance.
Damn it, I got out of Nvidia on a level 1. Now it's going up still.
Oh, yeah, the Hikaki bars, man. Those will do it to you. For sure.
Tell you what, no resistance. The weekly chart,
TSM is
even
all-time
better.
high, right?
Yeah, no resistance.
Wow. ADLTR is still going.
I
This is
know,
amazing.
that's amazing.
It's just, I'm like looking back
Are you
at
still in
it.
the AMAT, Jason?
I am, yeah. Still in AMAT.
It just broke the high on hourly chart.
That's cool.
Previous part.
Yeah. It's getting a little extended, all these stocks, so be careful. You never know. Yeah, it's getting a little extended, this moves due to the market. And that being said, I don't think I'm going to try long on snow. I think I'm going to only try shorts. Even if it does trigger long, I won't jump in because that's just, telling me something very interesting here. You got the market going up really strong, and something like snow that is a tech related stock should be following the market. it's going completely opposite. It's not even bouncing with the market at all. No bounce at all. So that's kind of why I'm okay on holding DLTR, because I'm like, this is completely on its own page.
Yeah.
Dang.
Hey,
DLTR.
you still have TSM, right?
No, unfortunately, I didn't enter because I'm like, if the target is just a higher day,
I thought you got in earlier.
I did, and then we got out for small loss on the pullback.
Yeah.
But I never re-entered because I'm like the risk to reward ratio wasn't that great. So I'm like, I just didn't want to enter. And now watch it going without me.
Yeah, it looks like it's still going up.
I know. I see that. Taking a partial on HPE.
Nice. I think TSM may top out around 165. We'll see. Looking like it could top out here too.
You know how did I get this scan? GPT.
All right, I took a partial on TSM on that 2 minute. Wow, Snow should have entered that.
Yes, no, stay home there.
Yeah. Even if it was just for 1 bar, it was like such a high odds probability. Because once the market pulls back, or maybe TSM will do the opposite. I don't know.
Look at the BROS. Gonna top out on the daily chart.
Okay. Well, I'm going to try a small amount of shares on this Snow. If I get a inside bar that triggers to the upside, I might try a small amount. But right now, it's looking to me like it's doing, like it's going to turn into a grind. Like, you know, like you notice every single buy that comes, every single green bar gets negated by the next red bar. So it's now, but now it's showing that it probably put in a climactic volume at the end. I'm looking at that volume, but that doesn't mean it can't keep going. It could keep going down the whole day long. I'm just looking. If I go in small shares, then I won't feel bad about the trade. So I'll just wait for a 5-minute level 1 to enter, especially if this ends as a doji bar. That could be sort of a break.
It's still lower high.
Yeah, I need to see a doji bar. I need to see it end as a doji bar, and then I get a level 1, because it'll be the first level 1 in the entire series. I'm still not even touching Snow yet. Gonna let it keep going. I've been in this HPE forever, and I don't know what's going on. Let me take a look at it. HPE. HPE. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss down on HP.
kind of
be a
wish I
little
had
low.
my full position on the LTR.
I know, man. Now it's so hard to find an entry unless you're doing like an Al Brooks, but every single time it produces another 5-minute low, it's like you keep thinking, well, when is it gonna bounce?
Yeah.
It's hard. It's hard to enter. I have a hard time entering momentum. You know, like when something is moving like DLTR, if I wasn't already in it, I'd have a hard time getting in. But the thing is, I should be looking at that sign and saying, you know what, that's actually what I should be getting in on. The movement is going down. There's no stopping it. So I just need to find a way in. And if I just want to use previous bars low, previous bars high, you know, that's not bad. So let's see if TSM pulls back to the mirror level. That'd be around 161.96. That'd be a mirror level right there, and we could get back in or add more. Come on, DLTR, keep going, buddy. Yeah, definitely my best trade for the day.
Which one?
That and TSM, I think, were pretty good. Because I took it short originally, level 1, got that little move on it.
Yeah.
Got out, then took it long. Now I'm fully out of it. So we'll see what happens on the next. If this level 1 turns out to be the top, no harm, no foul. If it turns out to be just a little pause in the move, and then, you know, and then we can keep going up, I'll get back in. But this time I'm going to get back in smaller shares. I think DLTR may bounce soon. We're almost at the previous, you see that pivot down there? Well, actually, could still keep going. To be honest, even if it pulled back here and offered me a lot, you know, scared me to think it was going to go up, I wouldn't really think it was going to go up as easy because of the fact that it produced such a trap in the morning. You know, like it started off with a gap down, but then it closed the gap. And not only did it close the gap, it got all the way to yesterday's high. You know, that's a little wild, you know?
Yeah.
Such a huge volatility. And then after that proceeded to drop. So I tried something funny. I just tried an Al Brooks. So I added to the position. Just looking at it saying, you know what? I still got more room until it hits that pivot at the low. Oh, Disney offering a level 1 right here.
Yeah. What's the VWAP?
Yeah, at the VWAP, it's a good pullback. I think if it fails, it could definitely get through that 20 and continue going higher for the rest of the day. But I'm going to take a level 1 short right there.
Yeah.
And just see what it does. See if I can get back down to the 8-period moving average first, and then from there, see where it's going to go. If it's going to bounce back up, then no harm. I'll just get out. I don't know. DLTR might be done.
Yeah, it formed a topping tail on 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so looking like it is going to be done. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Take a look at Cisco. I'm creating a level 3 now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Could be a good short.
Yeah. DSCO has a lot of. It's such a big move, but it looks great. I'll try it with the small shares. I like it. I think it could keep going lower.
Yeah.
I'm fully out of DLTR now.
On the 2 minute?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get back in if I see it. If I see this move, this attempt to go higher fail. And then I'm trying now. Snow just triggered me in long, so I'm trying that long now.
Hey, also watch a BROS.
All right.
Go back to VWAP.
Sounds good.
It's very clean.
We'll see if Snow can break over this 5-minute doji bar. If it breaks over the 5-minute doji bar, that could be good. Cisco is getting there. I'm going to go in with smaller shares because the moving average is still far away from the price. All right, jumped into Cisco. Hopefully it doesn't go against me. I feel like it's too far away from the moving averages. No, it looks good. I think it could go a little higher up to VWAP here.
131.
Yeah. Okay. Disney got out break even there. It bounced a little bit, but wasn't what I wanted to see. I wanted to see it go lower. Okay, I'm going to add to HPE here. There we go. Cancel that order. Put my stop a little bit lower now. No, I'm in it long. Just triggered me long over that doji bar. TSM, if TSM gives me a level 1, I'll get back in. Cisco looking okay. Put my yeah. This is a good exit. I think it could even be you could even take it long for fun. I could see it getting up a little bit. I'll try it for fun. I'm gonna try level 1 long on DLTR here. Nose working great. Want to see it get a little higher before I even take a partial. I took a long on DLTR. See what happens. Snow is nice. Snow is going. Did anyone take Snow with me?
I was a little bit late.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking we get up to the VWAP, and I think that's probably where I want to either exit my full position or look to see what it does here. If it, yeah.
Very nice move.
Wow, nice one on Snow.
Thanks. Yeah, I got that. I was waiting. Then we got the green bar and then the doji bar. The doji bar was like, okay, fine. You're giving me a doji bar.
1, 2, 3, huh?
Yeah, exactly. Reversal right there, up to the upside.
This is the evening star.
Yeah. See what happens on DLTR.
It's an evening star, actually.
DLTR is looking good. I love DLTR to get a little bit higher, just to scare the shorts, just to scare the short sellers out of this, and then I'll get back in short.
Don't forget BROS.
BROS, all right. I'm hoping this. Oh wow, Disney's working now without me. I got in, hit the, came back, stopped me out, break even, and now it's going down. I should have just kept my stop loss at my actual spot. That would have been way better. Okay, Cisco might be a breakdown failure. We'll see. It is extended.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting to the support area in the weekly.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens with TSM. We are in an area, we are at the mirror zone here. And this will tell me how it reacts. If it breaks through the mirror zone, that won't be good. So I don't want to get in long then, but okay. Took a partial on the DLTR just in case, because I really think the momentum is still with the, trend to the downside here. And I want to just get back in short. That's pretty much what I want. I want DLTR to flirt with 115 here and then fail. And then after it flirts with 115 and fails, we can re-enter. Anybody that missed it can enter with me short there with the move back down to the low of day and maybe even lower. We'll see. I can't believe Disney. Damn, that was such a good VWAP play right there. That's exactly what I wanted to see, but I'm just too chicken.
I'm watching BROS on the VWAP level 1.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, I'll be right back. I'm going to take the puppy out.
Okay, sounds good.
Be right back. Be right back.
Sure.
Okay.
TA, did you do crowd with me?
I did not. What happened?
Yeah, it's going. It's working.
Okay.
Did you do DLTR long with me?
I did not. I was looking at the Disney, so I was focused on that, and then I missed the DLTR.
Oh crap! Okay, I understand.
And I also showed MU, but then I'm like, I'm just gonna get out break even.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Look at Snow. Snow just keeps going up.
Yeah, hit the VWAP. Now that would be a target right there.
Yeah.
And in Cisco short. Yeah,
nice.
Nvidia.
Oh well. So you got Cisco short with me then. Oh, nice.
Yeah. But I'm still in Disney.
Nice.
Not sure if we're gonna keep going or not though.
I don't know. Yeah, I could just basically do a chop, chop back and forth here.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell, but Cisco's looking good. It is working.
Yeah.
And I'm having such good trading these days with these small shares. God.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm just slightly red right now.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's easy to get back, All you need is one really, really good trade that you manage really well. I'd say probably your next best bet is going to be a DLTR 20 period moving average pullback, short.
Disney's not moving, so I'd reduce my share size.
Yeah, I think Disney ran out of juice, but wow. Okay, what the heck, DLTR worked better than I thought.
Yeah, really.
I did not expect it to do what it did. I thought maybe one bar at the most, but sometimes you get lucky.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, with so many ball coming down, I should have picked that one, but I did not. focus on something else.
And the thing is, another thing to think about too is when something sells off really, really strong, right? And then it starts pulling back, and you think the first level one is going to be a good short.
Yeah.
It's oftentimes it's not, because depending on how strong the move was already, the sellers are exhausted. So there really isn't that many sellers at that level. There are sellers a little higher, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So sometimes it's better to just pass on the first entry because of how steep the move was. Wait for it to get a little higher, wait for it to fail, wait for it to kind of, go back and forth and have a little bit of a trouble. And then, from there you can look to get in. Or if you really want to get in that first sell setup, just give yourself a really wide stop loss, or else you're gonna probably get stopped out, Well, TSN looks good. You see that mirror zone right here?
Yep.
It looks pretty good. I'm thinking about getting in over the last previous bar's high. We'll see. I almost did a special sauce on the
DLTR.
DLTR. Yeah.
I thought about it too.
I know. I sometimes I'm like, oh, should I just do it? Because I have this good inclination, but then I'm like, I don't want to feed into that.
Yeah.
If I feed into that type of trading, that becomes the way I trade, and then I have no way of knowing if my trading is based off of rules or based off of just feelings. I like it though. I think I'm gonna wait for it to try one more time. I'm hoping it goes a little higher. I think any attempt to go down on snow might be a level one to the upside long. Well, this Cisco is working out great. Jeez. I'm expecting, see that big move in the morning from 47 down to 46?
Yeah.
I'm expecting about that same exact length again. So basically it's a measured move. So you get the, big move, pause, and then a big move, and then it's done.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping this just keeps going bar by bar and just builds and builds and builds to the downside. And then finally, I can take the level one to the upside on a nice reversal. Thinking about just getting out of HPE. I'm up a little bit on the trade, but it's just going sideways now. And I feel like there's no edge in it anymore. I don't know, I'm holding it. Okay, here comes TSN. Okay, TSN just triggered.
Yeah.
I think good spot to put your stop loss on TSN wouldn't be underneath the previous low. I think it'd be down at the 20.
Okay.
I think that's it's too shallow, or too narrow to try to put your stop loss under that, literally the single bar. I think the 20 is a better spot.
Hey, level one, BROS, I got in.
Okay, nice. Take a look at Cisco, Lynn.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys at level 3, huh?
Yeah, they're powerful,
nice.
man. I know.
But look at BROS, the bars, like so clean, no tail.
Oh yeah, that's great. That's a VWAP pullback right there.
Yep.
That's nice.
And I got in level 1 on 5 minutes.
Oh, good. Yeah. You didn't anticipate. You waited for the entry and then you jump in. That's perfect. that's pro. And what's great about this is at least I've done the math now, and every time I don't anticipate and I wait for like a trigger, the only thing I can do to screw it up is just put my stop loss at break even, which is fine. You know, I get out at break even. But the thing is, like, for instance, TSN triggered, right? And I'm in it long again. Now, the cool thing about it is, you know, if it starts acting funky and it goes back down to my break even, or the bar that I get in turns red, I can always get out for a smaller loss than than an R, because I'm, managing the trade based off of the move. Whereas if I just anticipate the move, then I don't really know where my stop loss should be in theory. Like, I'm making it up as I kind of go. I'm saying, like, well, I'm getting in here, and maybe my stop loss should be down here. And I think that's what the typical trader does, is they anticipate every entry. And I think what's so amazing is we have candlesticks. They're so powerful. Like, I mean, just think about it. Every single candlestick in itself, which is why I like the 5 minutes, because it's a little longer than 1 minute. Yep. Every single candlestick has its story of the buyers and sellers inside that candlestick, and where the support and resistance is inside that candlestick. So if we're technicians and we play breaks of support, right, to go long, breaks of resistance to go long and breaks of support to go short, then might as well use the candlestick, because the candlestick in itself is like its own little support and resistance. So it's really powerful stuff.
Yep.
So now, see, the cool thing is, because I waited perfect on crowd, TSN, I forgot. Oh man, I missed AMAT. They're doing the same exact thing. I missed the AMAT, but I got the TSN, so hopefully they go together. I've now moved my stop to break even on this TSN, so there's nothing it can do to me. And I just think I have so much higher odds when that happens. And I notice, also, you'll notice too, when you wait for the entry, if you get in on the entry perfectly and it goes against you right away, like there was no way to avoid, there was no way to, raise your stop loss or anything. It just right away. If I jumped in TSM and the very same bar that I jump in on breaks back down under, that in itself is called a Hikaki bar.
Yeah.
And that's telling you that basically it's probably the biasness that you had on the trade at that moment in time is probably not the correct bias. Because technically speaking, like a level 1 shouldn't fail right away. It should give you a little bit of time to choose what to do. Whereas if it fails right away, oh my gosh, what's wrong with this stock? You're telling me, something that's inherently bullish above the 20-period moving average fails right away. Oh my gosh, are you still in Disney?
I'm still in Disney. Yeah.
Beautiful. I freaking screwed that one up, man. Gosh. That's a good one. Right at the VWAP. Oh, so nice.
Oh my, I told my puppy, wait, I have to enter BROS.
Oh yeah. Nice, BRS, nice. Off the VWAP, beautiful. Up 2 bars. Now you can put your stop loss under each bar. Just keep raising
it's so clean too,
Yeah, very nice, clean pullback. And you know what I love about having the VWAP there is I was watching what's his name? Ryan from T3 Live. Some of his old videos, and he was going over his trades, and I think I sent it to the group. I might have forgot, but I'll send it if I didn't. But he was talking about where he got stopped out, and I realized that if he had the VWAP on his chart, he showed an area where he got stopped out, and then after he got stopped out, the trade ended up continuing in the trend direction. But he was like, it is what it is. I got stopped out here because it was underneath the 20 and all that stuff, all that, whatever it is, right? And I was like, wow, I bet you anything where he got stopped out was where the VWAP was. So he basically took an exit right into a bounce off the VWAP, and then the VWAP bounced and it goes higher. And I'm like, yeah, you know. I took a small position on DLTR short here. I don't really love it. I want it to be a little higher, but I'm willing to go in small and see what happens. And then crowd got me out. Sorry, not crowd. Cisco took me out break even here on the pullback all the way back up to the entry.
Yeah, I got out that 5-minute pinball.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I would have been watching that a little closer, but I was looking at some other trades, and then
Kind of disappointed. I went in on that TSM move, and then I don't know it's gonna move, and then I got out like break even.
Oh,
and now
you did what I did on Disney.
Yeah.
Yeah.
MU could be a short new high value.
MU. Okay, let me take a look. MU.
I don't know. Those chip shops is kind of strong today. Maybe not a good idea.
Yeah, you're fighting the trend there on MU.
Yeah.
I do see though that little level 2 right there. I mean level 1 right there.
HPE is crossing.
Oh, I got our BROS level 2 because I have to take the puppy out. Really have to take.
All right, sounds good. All right, no problem.
HPE.
I'm in HPE short, so hopefully that keeps going down.
Oh, but it's at a low day too. I'm not gonna take it then.
Okay, well, yeah, HPE has been proving to be a good trade for me too. I took that short underneath the VWAP.
Oh wait, I'm still in HPE. What the heck?
Nice.
Oh.
That's not a bad thing, you know?
Yeah. I'm not gonna take it, but wait, I'm doing it.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm break even for the day, so maybe I'll just call it a day.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day.
Yeah, HPE is looking good. I'm still in that one. Disney looked like a level 1 double bottom right here.
Yeah, I got out Disney right now.
I think DLTR looks like it's trying to go higher, but I don't know.
She rang the bell. Just want to play.
You have the Pookie bells, right?
Yeah, I have the jingle bell.
Yeah.
And sometimes she rings it for playing.
Yeah.
God, I got out because her.
I know. My dog Ruby, she used to be, before, bless her heart, she knew how to manipulate me all the time with those bells.
Yep.
You know, she would ring them in the middle of things, and I'd go over there, and then she would just look at me like I'd open the door, like, you need to go to the bathroom. She'd just look at me, no, I just rang it because I want you to do something with me.
Yeah, to play.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, okay. Very funny.
You know, like BROS, if it breaks 38.42, it's gonna be like TSM.
Wow, Cisco have been a great longer.
Yeah, right? I know. Same with Disney. Look at that level 1 right there.
Oh,
some of these
so
level
nice.
1s can give you like 1 R off of the move sometimes, just off of a single bar.
I hope you're still in AMAT, Jason.
I'm not, unfortunately. Yeah, I got out on that level 1 to the downside, and then I was planning on getting back in like I did on TSM, but I watched TSM and I missed AMAT, and they both triggered the exact same time.
Oh.
So I could only jump into one at a time. And then I just got stopped out on the rest of TSM here. on the 2-minute new low.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking it's might be done. We'll see what the next bar does. And I'm all out of snow too on that level 1 back down when it hit VWAP. So I'm not shorting it, but I'm just all out of it. Yeah, you know, TSN might be a short. But sorry, AMAT, TSN, I don't know. You could add above this red bar.